Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix no sound when playing YouTube videos on Firefox browser. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So I have here a video that I'm playing on Firefox, but as you can see there is no sound. If this is the issue, first you want to ensure that the volume is not muted on top here, and if that is the case, you also want to ensure that the volume is on here. So sometimes it might be because this volume is muted. However, if this does not solve your problem and you have no issue on other browsers, then we need to dig much deeper and troubleshoot this issue. So to fix this, head down here to speaker volume and right click on it, then look for this option, open sound settings. Here you want to go to advanced sound options, and if you click on it, now we have these options here for each and specific browsers. As you can see, we have volume for apps here. So this process is more or less the same on either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now identify your browser. As you can see, I have Mozilla Firefox here and the sound is muted in as much as it is 100%. So if you see this sound has been muted here, just click on it to unmute. And also you may want to check for the other browsers once everything is okay. Now go back to your video and play.
And I wanted to add a dimension.
Now you can see there is volume or there is sound. So that's how you can fix no sound on Firefox browser while playing YouTube videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.